You mind if I take a look inside the garage?
Not at all. Here's the key.
Oh yeah, there it is. The rings. The Quattro. We found it. Incredible. Yep, the original KKKK turbo and the iconic in-live configuration. Okay, here it is, the KKKK26. Despite the dust and age, that distinct KKK design I can't believe it. This is the history. It's all here. The exact car.
Dates 1982 to 1994. 12 years of competition. Rally stage times, co-driver notes.
The restoration has officially begun. This is where we bring legends back to life. Ready to make some rally history again?
The VIN matches the 1982 Quattro Coupe specification. Verification confirmed. Restoration authorized. All right, time to look at this legendary Quattro drivetrain underneath. 30 years of storage, but it's all here. All right, starting with the front end. Grille first, then the headlights. Okay, placing these carefully. Labeling is critical for the rare parts.
All right, front left flare starting to give. Be very careful with this one.
Take your time, we need it intact.
I know. Just a little more pressure here. There we go. Perfect. Now the rear. All right, chains are on. Lower it down slow. Make sure it's secure. Looks good, looks good.
The inline-5 configuration, unique to Audi, showcases remarkable engineering elegance despite the decades of carbon buildup.
All right, KKKK26 disassembled. Shaft play is significant, bearings are completely gone. All right, here it is. The heart of the Quattro. Worn bearings, aged seals, a full mechanical resurrection.
The inline-5 shows significant wear, needs a complete professional rebuild.
I agree, the scope is comprehensive. We'll start with the block and head.
Accepted. Let's plan the full restoration.
The honing looks perfect, cylinders are flawless. This thing is breathing life again. Audi perfection.
The Quattro shell, now isolated. Complete access achieved for the restoration.
The Quattro center differential, rebuilt perfectly.
The heart of the legend.
Ready to beat again.
All right, transmission's positioned, perfect fit. Let's thread these bolts. Checks out, solid connection. First component home. All right, hold it there. Slow and slow and steady. Engine secured.
The heart of the Quattro, the dashboard. We're rebuilding it from the ground up. Cracks in the vinyl, dead lights.
The iconic rally heritage wheel being restored to its former glory. Polishing the face to a brilliant sheen, barrels recurve.
We did it. The resurrection is complete. The Ur-Quattro is finally reborn, just as it should be.